So see the first question. King of red color. King of red color means one king is here. One king is here. 2 by 52. Then comes that is face card. How many face cards we can have? Face cards is 12. 12 by 52. Then comes that is then comes of red face card. See red face card. Red face card. C. Proverb of C. Red face card means red has only one face card. Sorry, 4 face cards here. Sorry, 3. Face card of red. King, Queen, Jack. So 3 face cards in the red. 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. So 3 by 36. Sorry, 52. Then comes up the question, that is the Jack of Hearts. Jack of Hearts. Heart में this is diamond, this is heart. Jack of Heart. This is only one Jack. That is 1 by 52. Okay, then comes spade. Fifth spade. Spade, how many spade cards? E suppose. Spade the spade is 13, so 13 by 52. Then comes the Queen of Diamonds. The Queen of Diamonds. The Queen of Diamonds means diamond में how many queen? One queen. So 1 by total every time. Probability of IF 1 by 50. Okay. Then let's go to question number 15. Question number 15. Question number 15. That is 5 cards. 5 cards. Which are the 5 cards taken? Now that is the 10 Jack, Queen, King, S. The 10 Queen, King, Jack, S, the 10 Jack, Queen, King and S of diamonds. And S of diamonds. Okay. Then what will happen? From a pack of 52 cards. Diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards, or well shuffled with their face downwards. Okay, one card is picked up at random. One card is picked up at random. Okay, what is the probability that the card drawn is queen? What is the probability that the card drawn is queen? So first you see here, we have only sample space of these 5 cards. So S is 10, queen, jack, S. Because only 5 cards we have taken. So what is probability? A, that is queen. There is only one queen from total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards per 10, king, queen, jack, S. That means 1 by 5. Then what is there? The queen is drawn and put aside. That is important part. The queen, if the queen is drawn and put aside, kept out. Okay. What is the problem? That the card drawn, the second card picked up is ace and queen. What is the probability that the second card drawn is S queen? Okay, now listen. Queen is gone. What is a new sample space? 10, king, jack, S. Because the queen is gone. Now what is sample space? Now 4. From here what you want to gain? From here you want to gain probability of S. So how many S you are finding? Only one S. 1 upon total. How many total? 1, 2, 3, 4. C is the event queen. There is no queen because you have taken already. So how is there? No queen now. The probability of C is 0. Because impossible. Queen is not there. How can you get it? Okay. So 18. Question number 18. Question number 18. A box contains 90 discs. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 9. Which are numbered from 1 to 90. Okay. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, if one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it is a 2 digits number. 2 digits number. So first you see sample space. 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, like this, 19. 9 like this. Total 90. 2 digits number starts from here. So A stands for 2 digits number. That is starts from 10. 10, 11, 12, 19. Means from 99 gone. How much? 81. What is probability of A? 81 by 90. 9 9 is 81, 10. 9 by 10. Okay. A perfect square number. A perfect square number. A perfect square number. So which are perfect square number? 1, 4, then 9, 25, 36. Which are the square? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 4 square.
Excuse me, sir. पढ़ाऊँ ना नहीं मेरे कॉपी लिख लो.
4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, 10 square is 100. So what will you get here? The probability of B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 90. Then comes up a number divided by 5, that is homework. Third part homework. Third part homework. Okay. Then comes up question number 19. So then is question number 19. Question number 19. That is, a child has a dice. Child has a dice whose 6 faces are given below. Whose 6 faces are given below. So how are the 6 faces located here? And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces are there. So that is given A, B, C, D, E, A. A, B, C, D, E, again A. Okay. What is the probability that it is A and D? What is the probability that the face is A? The probability face is A. How many A you are finding? 2 faces. So 2 by total 6. Second face is D. Face is D, only one D, so 1 upon 6. Simple questions. Okay. Then question number 20. Question number 20. 20 is what? Suppose you drop a die at random. Suppose you drop a die at random on a rectangular region. On a rectangular region as shown. Okay. Then what is the probability that it will land inside a circle of diameter 1? What is the probability that it will land inside a circle of diameter 1 meter? It's a given like this. Okay, what is given? Now it is given like this: 3 meter, 2 meter, 3 meters, 2 meters. Then there is a circle here. That is 1 meter. That means what is it has to drop inside this. This is the required area divided by total area. So you can write here required probability is required area by total area. Required area is which one? This one. That is pi r square. Total means sample space L into B. Remember r is equal to 1 by 2 because 2r. 2r is equal to 1. 2r is 1. R is equal to 1 by 2. So how much you write? This is pi 1 by 2 square 3 into 2. So you can simplify. That is 22 by 7 1 by 2 1 by 2 divided by 3 into 2. So 22 into 1 into 1 by 7 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. This is cancelled. 11. 11 by 84. Okay. So remaining question you will try. So that will be homework.